In this video, I'll show you how to create a free landing page to promote Clickbank offers. It is extremely simple and I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Now let's get started without doing any delay. So the landing page that we are going to create is like this, okay? To promote a prostrate offer, especially in Microsoft Ad. So not only this landing page, you can literally create any landing page that you want, which seems like this, okay? And this is a high converting landing page, and you can see most of the people are promoting this kind of landing page in Microsoft Ads or Bing Ads. And we are going to use a tool that is absolutely free to get started, okay? It's like $0 per month, and you can create up to 15 landing pages like this inside this free plan. The sales funnel step means landing pages. Now to create a landing page inside Clickbank landing page inside System.io, what you need to do is I'll give a special link in the description which you can click, and this landing page will be automatically be imported inside your System.io account. Okay, just click on it and sign up to System.io. Once you do that, then just log into your account, and in funnels, okay, you will see this landing page. Just click on funnels and you can see this landing page. Now just click on that landing page. Now this is going to be the exact landing page, okay, but I may make some changes at here. So what you can do is, this is the master landing page, okay, and after this you can create up to 14 landing pages. So just firstly click on this duplicate funnel step and your landing page will be copied. Okay, don't use this landing page, just use this one, okay, and change this text like prostrate. Whatever you want to write, you can write, okay. Here just make the changes, and you can change this also to anything you want. So once you do this much, then just click on this save funnel step. So firstly watch everything properly, okay, and only then start to build, okay. It will be a lot easier for you. So once you do this much, then just click on this edit page. See, now I may have made some changes at here. If that's the case, then what I will do is I'll make a Google Drive link and put that in the description of YouTube video, from where you can get this text, okay, this image, everything you will get inside that Google Drive link. So now first thing you need to do is, let me show you. So if I preview this page, okay, then you can see here Clickbank, it says Clickbank landing page, right? Now Clickbank landing page, you need to change this text, okay. So to change this text, what you can do is just go to, let me reduce it, and just click on this setting, okay, at here, and scroll below. Let me enlarge it. Scroll below, and in this title, okay, type whatever you want to type, like shrink, enlarge, prostrate, and just click on save changes, and then again preview it, and you can see here shrink, enlarge, prostrate. It will show you like this, okay. And then next thing you need to do is you need to make some changes to this title. So to make some changes to this title, just delete whatever is at here and then paste whatever you want to type at here, or you can simply type here, and that's done. Now in order to change the image, just click on here, okay, and then this gear icon, just click on it, okay, and then click on this upload file, and then click on select file, and then click on this image and click on open. It will take few seconds, and then you can literally click on insert and put this image at here. Now just scroll below, and here if you want to change this text, okay, simply delete it and type whatever you want, okay, or if you have already any text, then just copy paste that text at here in this way, okay, and again click on save changes. Now in here, click here to watch the video. Just click on this gear icon. This is the button which will when people click it, they will reach to your Clickbank offer. Now you can go to your Clickbank account, okay, and then search for offers related to prostate and see whichever the relevant offer is. Just click on promote and click on create hope link, and then copy this link, okay, and then again go back here and paste this at here, okay, and then just it will open in a new tab. Okay, whenever someone clicks here, it will open in a new tab. Just click on save changes. Furthermore, if you want to put this link in this image also, just click on this gear icon. Okay, and open URL, make sure open URL is selected, and then paste that link at here and open in a new window. Just tick mark this. Okay, and then click on save changes. So now whenever anyone come to this page and click on this or this, okay, this image or this button, then they will open the your Clickbank offer in next page. Now another important thing that you need to do. So here you can see it says copyright 2023 all right reserves. Okay, so you can type your website name at here if you want, but if you don't, then it's okay. And in this disclaimer terms and contact, okay, you can use the link from the offers page. Okay, so for example, let's say this is our offer and they have this privacy policy. You can just open it in new tab. Okay, and then copy this whole link. Okay, just simply copy it and then again go back to your and in privacy just select it. Okay, and then click on this and paste your URL at here and make it open in a new tab, just click on this. Okay, and make sure this color is a little bit different. Okay, and then just click on save changes. Now you have a link inside this privacy. In the same way you can use this terms link and disclaimer link. However, if you don't have this contact or disclaimer link, you can also delete these. Okay, for example, if you don't want to use this disclaimer, you can simply delete this part. Okay, in this way you can use links inside these things also. Once everything is done, make sure again you click on save changes and then go to this mobile version, and you can see if you want to make some changes in this mobile version also, then you can make some changes at here. Otherwise, if it is fine, then just again click on save changes and click on exit. Now this is going to be your landing page. You can simply click on view funnel step and you will be able to see this landing page. Okay, with your Clickbank affiliate link in this way. Now if someone clicks at here, they will open your offer in another tab. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.